Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to the review. I will tell you how to apply Miniplayer into the YouTube video. First of all, go to youtube.com. After that, beside settings, you will get Miniplayer option, or else click on I, that is keyboard shortcut. Click on I. Okay, this is Miniplayer. Click on that. See, like this. Okay, if you want to escape from that, click on I. Okay, that is shortcut. Miniplayer. Okay, like that. Click on I. Like this friends, we can apply Miniplayer into the YouTube video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Any doubts you can comment below. I will respond to comment. Thank you.